Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best electric scooter for under $1,000. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, KKA. Model number, L2. 350 watt hub motor output, stronger power, top speed over 16 miles per hour, combined regenerative brake and disc brake, braking distance 4 meters in dry conditions, multi-function display, contents battery, failure, Bluetooth, speed gears, cruise control, light. Upgraded high-density 7,500 mAh Li-ion battery, long distance reach to 15 miles. IPX4 waterproof level. It means this scooter can wait in small puddle but cannot ride long time. In order to avoid the risk of puncture and maintain a certain degree of comfort, we used honeycomb tires and increased the shock absorption capacity of the rear. Number 4. Brand name, Koga. Model number, KIRIN Mini 2. The Koga KIRIN Mini 2 has an attractive, robust design and a sturdy and solid aluminum alloy frame. With its solid and puncture-free tires that are great at withstanding shocks, the Koga KIRIN Mini 2 electric scooter offers the most stable, most comfortable, and safest ride for kids. It also boasts a sturdy and solid aluminum frame, an anti-slip deck, and incredible braking power. An ultra-lightweight foldable electric kick scooter for kids and teens. Ultra-lightweight, whisper-quiet folding electric scooter for kids. Its design was well thought out with a rider-first focus that is an extremely durable powered scooter with an ultra-quiet rear hub motor. Front 8-inch, rear 6.5-inch solid tires, taking into account the shock absorption and safety, riding more comfortable. It has a 4 ampere-hour lithium battery which allows for a longer range and higher speeds. The strong driving force, 150 watt motor, maximum 10 to 15 kilometers running distance. Number 3. Brand name, Highboy. Model number, S2R. The 350 watt electric brushless hub motor allows for speeds up to 19 miles per hour. Long-range battery with a maximum travel range of up to 17 miles under specific conditions, and maximum load of 220 pounds. Equipped with a new innovative attachable battery. Foldable and portable for adult daily use. The same fast speed and long range for commuting as S2, but the battery is removable. Designed for riders who need a lightweight scooter with backup batteries on a long trip. Highboy electric scooter light system, keeping riders safe in the dark. And double braking system features a disc braking and ABS regenerative anti-lock braking, ensure an efficient, responsive braking. Highboy S2R comes fitted with 8.5-inch solid rubber tires that are sturdy, durable and puncture-proof. Number 2. Brand name, Exotron. Model number, X1. Powerful 1000 watt high-speed brushless DC rear motor, reach up to a speed of 30 miles per hour. 10-inch big wheel off-road tire, adapt to all kinds of pavement. Great shock absorption and anti-slip treads. Your riding style, speed, temperature, load, tire pressure, road conditions, weather will all greatly affect the actual range of a scooter. Air pressure front fork and double spring rear shock absorber structure, more comfortable and safer. Quick folding mechanism allows it to be folded and unfolded in seconds, making it easily put in the trunk of the car, suitable for home travel. 21 ampere-hour 48-volt lithium battery and longest range of 30 miles. Charging time, standard battery 5 to 8 hours. Number 1. Brand name, Exotron. Model number, X1. The FLJ SK1 promises enough legroom, with a platform about 20 centimeters wide. Because the maximum speed it can reach is quite high, the scooter needed an efficient braking system. Therefore, to ensure a timely stop, but also for extra safety, the manufacturer opted for disc brake on both wheels. In addition to great parameters, the high-quality electric scooter FLJ SK1 has also a great price. The tires are 10 inches pneumatic. It offers a powerful 1200-watt motor with a maximum speed of up to 45 km per hour, a range of 80 km or double suspension. The FLJ SK1 scooter is made of durable and high-quality aluminum alloy. However, the durability as well as the performance or size of the battery were reflected in the weight of the scooter itself. The FLJ SK1 features a folding mechanism that collapses the scooter to conveniently fit in the trunk of a car or can be discreetly placed in a corner of an office. The body is made of low-density, high-strength aerospace-grade aluminum alloy material and can carry a load of up to 150 kilograms. With a net weight of 30 kilograms, it is both sturdy and durable. Equipped with 10-inch air-filled tires and double front and single rear suspension on both wheels, provide great comfort and control over paths and cobbled surfaces. Featuring front wheel and rear wheel disc brake providing great stopping power and shorter braking distance. The scooter has both LED headlight and stop, as well as an LED strip installed on the side of the chassis. There is also a fairly generous screen display on the handlebars, which displays information on speed, usage and battery capacity. The scooter has no problem riding uphill, while it can climb up to a 25 degrees angle. The final value of course depends on the weight of the rider and the riding surface. The scooter is charged using the included adapter, and you can charge it to full capacity in 6 to 8 hours.